Dia. Ke dak rambutan dia? Oh, itu rambutan dia.
Malam apa tuh?
Wah, banyaknya. Sayang, banyaknya. Kita berdua je kat rumah tu.
Ini dulu aku yang daftar. Ini dia ambil. Tapi dah kurang sebab di simen, dia buah dia dah tak besar.
Oh, ya. Di sini terus sampai situ. Mana lagi? Pelanggan.
He's talking about the car park cat. It's already broken. Tell you that we are going to Tesco. Waiting for our chicken rice Thailand.
Mana?
Pan, ayah ni besi lah. Ayah.
Saya double, isi satu je lah.
Ayah buat.
Eh?
We do not eat here because the food is very delicious. So many people in this small shop. Mana ada begitu?
Barunya.
Okay, yang dulu yang sana start. Gini dulu. Au! Au! Tengok tu dia mencitrakan saya.
Slow-slow. Belum praktis lagi.
Ya Rasul, ini semua sumpahan.
Sumpah tau.
Ah!
Ah.
Ini apa ni? Ini jahat ni. Tengok ni jahat sangat sama saya ni.
Tak perlulah
Take it off.
Tak perlu saya begini.
Stop, take it off. That ring given by my stepmother to him and said somebody will take care of him and give him good road or wherever he wants to go. The door all going to open, but that is bullshit. Now when we do like that stone is at it in front. How you do it at first? Like that, and then when we do high five, it hurt me up my hand. Okay, then after that he turned it around like this. But then the third, he's like this, and then I couldn't some more. So if that thing hates me so much,
It's your feeling tau. It's just your feeling.
What
It's just
makes
like
you feel like you don't want to take that off?
dia sengaja mau begini memang tak kena. Saya cuma kasih selamat dia pusing sini. High five pula kena. Habis macam gini. Safe.
Kalau macam mana? Itulah ini. Okay kan?
Budanya mana ada pakai cincin begini?
Macam mana? Let me see from
See
behind.
my ring.
Tepi.
What to do? Oh, that guy is doing bikini wash with you. Back to my request. Why can't you just take that off, that ring?
I'll try first.
According to my stepmother, that ring belongs to 4 generations. And I think he just bought it for 5 ringgit at the supermarket.
So that's why I have to. Okay. Tengok one shop tak? So
Okay.
we call the expert to verify the ring. I will verify this ring.
But make sure if you want to verify, you bring me. You bring me, let us check. Who can do that? Cannot, right? Not today, right? So, if you cannot check it by today, then you can take it off for a while until you meet somebody that can show you. So set ka?
No.
Dia tak terbang.
Oh, tak terbang.
Dia tak terbang.
Dia tak pandai ke terbang lagi?
Dia boleh terbang tapi dia tak terbang.
Au.
Dia tak.
Lari
Dia tak
kuat
mau
lah.
dia pakai minyak tang.
So cute. Au. Dia mau telan sampai jari.
Macam ni berapa? Ada license dia?
Boleh buat license lah. Tapi kalau belah satu dia tak kacau punya. Biasa dia license untuk kalau nak buat bisnes yang beda.
Berapa hanya Jom?
3
lebih lah. 3 lebih
Sebab
okey.
lokal ada, lokal 1,000 lebih tapi anda nampak dia body kecil macam tak.
Ni Australia punya?
Ni African Grey. Ni Thailand bawa masuk ni.
Ini apa ni? Burung apa?
African Grey.
African Grey.
Parrot lah.
Parrot.
Can talk lah actually.
Can talk, but not so fast lah. Now only 4 months plus.
4 months je macam ni.
Saya rasa kali tu lain.
Face up, a bit.
Wow.
Tangan kena phone lah sebab dia mau stable.
Yalah. Hey, look at that guy. You're wearing the same color, same shit color. Wow, so cute. Don't buy. It's only
Sebabnya
4 months.
ini kan adalah burung dia macam
Susah.
Dia tak dalam sangka tengok tapi boleh main dengan.
Boleh main okey lah.
Good job.
So you just let go, right?
Ada?
You just let go.
Okey.
Yeah. Hey.
Saya ingat dia terbang. Tak terbang syok lah.
Kuat. Dia punya jari punya apa cengkaman yang kuat. You're so sweet. Okay, let's go. Yeah, that's good. Dia makan kena ni. Dia mau lagi kah?
Bagi masa dulu. Go inside.
Kena banyak sebab dia.
Yalah.
Sambil nak semua mesti.
Ini dia ketika dia kacau.
So, from the custom how? Okay.
Buat custom.
I thought you bring it from...
Dia dia curi bawa masuk mana? Dari Malaysia custom kan.
Yeah.
Okay, the first
Wow.
Very small, no wonder.
Cute-nya.
No wonder. Can talk. Can talk, not? Have to train lah.
di rumah tadi tolong.
See?
That's your friend.
That's you, man.
That's your friend. No,
That's
really,
you.
that's you. Nah, see? Very good looking at the camera. Yeah.
I'm curious lah.
I want it.
Can get bigger lah, this one.
The eyes become I reach some human lah, so he'll become like young that way. Now still maybe when the full eyes still blind.
Wow, he's so cute. He doesn't want to let go of the camera. Are you going to be star? Are you going to be star? Yes, I am. I will be a star.
Terbang punya.
When you got full lah, then they'll fly. Biasa kalau ada orang dia banyak on queue nya, asal come here they'll fly.
Settle lah sudah sayang. Settle lah.
Okay. How much?
Besar juga dalam ni. Kalau dia nak terbang, dia boleh terbang je. Ini saya intro. Oh, you gotta let me go. I have to go now.
I have to go now, okay? See you
Yeah.
again.
Okay.
I know it's very hard to let go of me.
Don't want.
Yeah, like that. Wait.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye. See you, little parrot. Oh my god, the parrot just now was so cute, and my husband already thinking of buying one. So let him handle and find the small one, then we can just bring it out, hang out with that balloon. We can crab with each other, watch TV together. I love going to the love my parrots. If I do have one. For everything you do, for everything that's true, I'll turn to you. Long for a strength to be my shot to the other girl. First love that will never change. For so long to lead us. For a whole account, free time, won't do anything without war. I can't run. Sorry about that. What miracle? You can achieve, you can achieve when you believe. Somehow you will. Somehow, no.